Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to highlight row by specific text. First, we need to create data. So, we create employee ID column. Then, create employee name column. Now, move to employee salary column. Last, we need to create region column. First, we write here employee ID number. Now, select both cells. Drag down to apply same trend below. Now, we insert here some random name. You can insert your own list of employees. After completing employee name list, we move forward to salary column. Use formula equals to Randbetween. For least value, use here 1000 and for greater use 9999. Now drag same formula to apply below. Now we need to insert currency symbol. After selecting column, click on currency option. You can increase or decrease decimals. Now, we write here our 4 regions. Then, we copy and paste same regions. You can notice that salary values are changing. To make constant, select whole column. Now copy the whole column data. Now paste values option to make constant. Now select whole data for formatting. You can increase or make column length equal. Now make center alignment. You can also make currency sign more better. Now, select desired currency formatting. Now, select whole data table. Make border boxes. Now, make formatting of heading. Now, select few cells for heading. Click on Merge and Center option. Right here heading, Region. Make better formatting. We can increase zoom size of sheet. Now, we need to remove grid lines. So, we go on Page Layout option and check Grid Lines View option. Now, move to our Data Validation function. Go on Data tab. Click on Data Validation option. Now, select List option. In the source cell, select whole region column. You can check source reference and then press OK. We have all regions available in the list. Finally, we need to select whole data table. Go on Conditional Formatting option. In this option, click on New Rule. Click on last option for customized formatting. Now, right here, formula. Write reference address with region cell. Now right here equals to sign. Now click on blank data validation cell. Now click on Format option. Select Color in the Fill tab. Now test our formula and function. Now, we simply need to select desired region. It will automatically highlight entire row. We have used simp data validation and conditional formatting. You can also write region name here.